Hey guys, this is SD Trends and I feel glad to welcome you all to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel provides many lectures on English grammars. Alright guys, we have seen in reported speech. In reported speech we have seen a lot of sentence examples, like we have covered statement sentence, which is also called as declarative or assertive, and we have covered interrogative and their types respectively, and next we have covered imperative in our previous videos, and now we are finally on to the topic exclamatory. So I really feel glad. So if you guys also had followed me, you will be in the verge of completion of this reported speech. Alright guys, though we completed the topic, it is very important to practice more and more sentences to make you very clear in this topic, and also you can even frame and also write answers to anything error free. Alright guys, so we are going to celebrate the last topic of this reporter speech. So I welcome you all once again to this exclamatory tribe with me, S.J. Sharmi. Okay guys, we want to know the definition of exclamatory sentence. First of all, what does it mean by exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences are expressions of our human emotions or feelings. Like we can have a lot of emotions, right? So it could be of joy, or it can also be described as happiness or surprise and sorrow and so on. There are many expressions which are portrayed on us. Alright guys, so I've given you a common example of exclamatory sentence to make you understand, and that is hooray, I won the game. So here we always have an exclamatory word in this sentence, in this type of sentence. So these words are given the expressions of a human being. So here your exclamatory word is hooray. How could you find that exclamatory word, guys? So we could easily find it or easily figure out that with an exclamation symbol, exclamation mark. And next, we are going to see the rules to be followed while we are converting any normal exclamatory sentence to its reported one. Alright guys, so the exclamatory words are replaced with phrases. So I'm going to reveal out what are the phrases that we are going to use in this. Okay. So they are exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with sorrow, and even other words which according to your sentence. It depends. These phrases merely depends on the type of feeling that a sentence gives you. Alright, a sentence may give you a feeling of surprise, happy, sorrow, or even wonder. So these phrases can easily be framed by us with the emotion that we understand from that sentence. Alright guys, the common instruction and the strategy to deal this type of sentence easily is that using a conjunction that. I hope you guys do remember that we have used the same conjunction for the statement sentence also. Alright guys, now I think you're damn clear about the basic thing of an exclamatory sentence, and now let's go on to the topic of converting them. So I've given you 4 examples in this video, and these 4 examples just give you the basic idea of converting them, and you could easily work out by keeping this as a model, guys. So your first example, wow, what a nice view it is, she said. Someone is saying that or exclaiming that it was a very nice view. This is your meaning. So now we can convert to its reported one. She exclaimed with surprise that it was a nice view. She exclaimed with surprise that it was a nice view. Here, I have changed the word wow, exclamatory word, to a phrase here, right? Exclaimed with surprise. Why did I use the word surprise? Because the feeling of the sentence here is surprise. Alright? Yes, and I have changed. Normally we do a tense change, right? So here we have it is, present tense to it, and I have converted to the past tense, it was. So I've already did that tense conversions, and as it is you get your answer. And your second example is, David said to him, how intelligent you are. So here, after reading this, you are wondering someone, right? You're wondering the quality, or you're justifying the wonderance of a quality of someone. So I've generally used the word phrase, exclaimed with wonder. So David exclaimed with wonder that how intelligent he was. So here also I've made the phrase accordingly as a feeling, and I've exchanged with them and then tense changes has been done. And your third example, Sheila said, "Oops, the power is cut." Sheila exclaimed with sorrow that the power was cut. This is an unhappy event, right? So I have used the word commonly as sorrow. And as usual, the tense changes. The power is cut is changed into the power was cut. So the past tense of the cut is itself a past tense, and the past participle form V3 form is also cut. So cut, cut, cut. Simple past participle. Alright guys, your last example is the man shouted, "Alas, his heartbeat has stopped." So here it is a very unhappy event we didn't expect, and it is a nature's cause. So I have commonly used exclaimed with sorrow and made the tense changes accordingly. Alright guys, we are celebrating the completion of our reported speech topic in our English grammar, and I will meet you with the other challenging topic in our English grammar in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned, keep